Nengi reveals why she rejected Ozo's proposal. Big Brother Naija housemate Nengi on Sunday night gave reasons why she refused to accept Ozo's proposal. Ozo, during his stay in the lockdown house, made advances at Nengi and even proposed marriage to her but was rejected. Nengi insisted every time, saying she was not ready for a relationship. Laycon, during a conversation with Nengi, asked why she refused to have a relationship with Ozo despite their closeness. Nengi, who was in a sober mood after Ozo's eviction, said she takes her time before dating anyone and that she was not sure if Ozo could deal with her excesses. So what is on the other? Because all the years all the time, all the practice, and I'm looking at I myself, I never see somebody and don't want that relationship because it's not work. So what's the thing? I need to know that this is someone I can actually be. According to her, it will take time for me to date anyone because I need to be friends first and be sure that I can deal with my excesses. I like him a lot. I cried in the diary room several times because of him, but I need to be outside the house before I make any decision. Most of my exes were my long-time friends before we started dating because I know the kind of person I am. When I fall in love, it is really, really deep, she said.